and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to show you a very quick and easy makeup tutorial which you can do on Diwali, which is not over the top. तो इस ट्यूटोरियल में हमने बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं and I have achieved this look which is appropriate for Diwali, even for Bhai Dooj. Whatever function you want, you can pair this up. And I really like these earrings, so I got these earrings from the oxidized junk, I think. मैं उनका जो Instagram account है, I will be linking that in the bottom bar so you can check it for yourself. So this particular look is very minimal. I have some grey tones and then lipstick is also not very over the top. And I have paired this with this particular dupatta which looks so gorgeous, which is so festive appropriate. And I am wearing this yellow top, and yeah, with some bindis it looks so good, and especially the earrings, they stand out. And मैंने realize किया है that it's been long that I have done a video, an actual video. जो भी आप videos देख रहे थे वो सारे ही pre-filmed थे. I'm doing better now, so that's why I thought of shooting this particular video. And the background is completely different. Let me know how you guys think about this particular background. So this video is going to be a talk through and voice over one, and I hope you will enjoy this. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and if you will create this look for Diwali, let me know. I am really happy how my eyes have turned out. Super duper happy about it. So yes, that is about it. I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know how you guys think about this particular look. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.
Hi everyone. So सबसे पहले I am going to prep my base. उसके लिए I am using this Nykaa oil serum and I am going to use it on my face. और इससे बहुत ही अच्छी हाइड्रेशन मिलती है. Now today I am going to use a new foundation that is by ColourPar, and इसमें मेरा shade I think 6.4 है, but I think ये थोड़ा सा ऑक्सीडाइज होता है मेरे स्किन टोन पे. I am going to give a review of this particular foundation very soon. Stay tuned. But I think it does oxidize a little bit on my skin, but the finish is awesome. It has a very satin finish, and yeah, it looks very natural on skin, you will see. And I have taken only half a pump because I did not want a lot of foundation in this look. And इसके बाद I am going to use this L'Oreal का concealer, and I'm going to use very little because this concealer can look cakey if you use a lot. So please use very little amount, and it will give you the desired coverage because इसकी जो coverage है, it is so good. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, like same eyebrow palette, Europe Curl Paris. After that I'm going to set my under eyes with this Stay Quirky loose powder. बहुत दिनों बाद यूज़ किया है मैंने इसको, but it looks so good. Now to set my base, I'm going to use Shy Style's Natural Finish makeup setting spray. Now for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, and मैं इस look को बहुत ही simple रखना चाहती हूँ, eyes को especially. So I'm gonna pick these two shades as my transition color, and then I am going to use a grey color. So इसका ना लुक बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक पेस्टल सा लैवेंडर टाइप ऑफ आ रहा था, यू विल सी. सो आई बिकेम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ चाहिए था. सो इट डज नॉट लुक ओवर द टॉप, इट लुक्स सुपर डुपर प्रिटी बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे एट होम दिस टाइम, सो नो नीड टू यूज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस grayish blackish eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now for my blush, I'm going to use this Sugar Blush Face Forward Stick in the shade Mauve, and ये इतना pretty है, looks super duper pretty and so blendable. Now I'm going to set it with this Makeup Revolution blush. इसका भी बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है ना. थोड़ा सा blush ज़्यादा हो गया था, but then you will see in the end it will all come together. And it will not look as if I have applied a lot of blush. Now I am going to contour with this NYX palette, and yes, I am going to chisel out, I am going to carve out my face structure ताकि मेरा face बहुत ही ज़्यादा भरा भरा नहीं लगे. there has to be some color in my face. That's why I'm going to bronze my face. For my highlighter मैं यूज़ करूँगी Becca का Champagne Pop, and I'm not going to do a lot of highlighting. You will see here I'm going to use this fluffy brush जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा highlighter नहीं लगता, बहुत ही थोड़ा थोड़ा लगता है. And yes, it gives the perfect glow. I think Diwali and Champagne Pop is so similar. Now I am going to brighten my inner corners using the same highlighter. Now I'm going to set everything once more. After this, I have used 3 lipsticks in this look. Can you believe? To get the perfect shade which I wanted. So I have used NYX Puffy Lippy Stick and these two NYX Lip Lingerie Lipstick. So one is in exotic and I think one is in not sure. I'm going to put it in the description box. And I'm going to now use this Maybelline ka mascara. I have used mascara only, haven't used any false lashes, but make sure to coat your lashes evenly. And tada, this is the final look. Hope आपको अच्छी लगी होगी look. Subscribe किए बिना please मत जाइएगा and like करना मेरी videos को. Let me know what you think of this look. And yes, that's about it. I will see you guys next time, and happy Diwali. Celebrate, have fun, and wish you loads of love.